Hello guys, welcome back to our channel VEDANGAS. This is Amit, accompanied with my co-partner Sumit. So guys, we are back with our first season of physics, physical science. In this video, you will learn about motion, inertia, and the law of motions. So guys, before going to the explanation, please subscribe to our channel, like the video and press the bell icon for the latest notifications. So let's start guys. So coming to motion, the motion is the phenomenon in which an object changes its positive over time. Motion is mathematically described in terms of displacement, distance, velocity, acceleration, speed and time. So the motion of a body is observed by attaching a frame of reference to and observe and measuring changes in position of the body relative to that frame with change in time. For example, here we can see that the bus is moving towards a man and the man is standing on the rock side. Here, according to the man, the bus is in motion, but according to the passenger in the bus, the man is in rest. So this is all about the topic motion. The next one is inertia. Is the resistance of any physical object to any changes in its velocity. This includes changes to the object's speed or direction of motion. So an aspect of this property in the tendency of objects to keep moving in a straight line at a constant speed when no forces act upon them. So for example, here we can see that when the paper is pushed forward, the coin falls in the glass because the coin is heavier than the paper. So inertia more on the coin. So the paper went forward and the coin fall into the glass. So the next one is the first law of motion. In this, an object either remains at rest or continues to move at a constant velocity unless acted upon by a net force. Let us assume that this is no force acting on the car. Here you can see that the car is moving straight with a constant speed and it would have gone in same way, as here is an internal force applied that is the wall, so it stops. So coming to second law of motion, in an inertial reference frame, the vector sum of the force F on an object equal to the mass m of this object multiplied by the acceleration a of the object is F is equal to ma. So if the resultant force F acting on a body or an object is not equal to 0, the body will have an acceleration a, which is in the same direction as the resultant. For example, here we can see a man hitting on the power meter. He applies less force, then the acceleration of the ball is on less height. But when on the second time he applies more force, then the ball raises much higher than before. So this is about second law of motion. So now the third law of motion. In this, when one body exerts a force on a second body, the second body simultaneously exerts a force equal in magnitude and opposite in direction on the first body. For example, here you can see that the man is throwing the ball with some force on the wall, and then wall also sends the ball with same force. So these are the 3 laws of Newton. So guys, stay tuned for the next upcoming videos of other topics. So thank you for watching the video.